Good morning, everyone. There's cicadas and birds and lawnmowers and hammering because they're making a new deck over there, but I don't know what time it is. I've been taking my sweet time getting ready apparently. It's 9:30. I got up. I woke up about an hour ago and then started getting ready about 45 minutes ago, but it was a hair washing day. I am wearing a sundress, which is crazy. I got shorts on. In regards to this tile, Paul, thanks for answering. I actually did my research yesterday and learned that it is Moroccan fish tile, Moroccan fish scale tile from the 8th century. And yes, scallop up is traditional, but in recent years, designers have started doing it tip up to make it more ocean wave, mermaid scale, if you want to go for that vibe. So I would definitely go tip up in a beachy bathroom. There are people walking by probably wondering why my phone is up, but okay. There's a cicada like right down there or something. Anyway, Danny made some coffee from the coffee beans that our Airbnb host left us. Dark roast, it tastes fine. It was pre-ground and we have a French press, so I think that's why he's like, because I know pre-ground coffee tends to be a little tricky in a pour over or a French press. Gotta get those beans just right. I'm no expert, but I made my own decaf at one of the houses that didn't have a Keurig. And yeah, the dog is barking because the family is walking. This is our shark friend. Anyway, I'm gonna pack up because I guess we need to figure out breakfast. We do not have Instacart membership anymore. Normally, the first thing I do when we get to the beach is I place a grocery order for the week and it comes the next day. But yeah, we're just gonna have Danny go, and that hasn't happened yet. So thus a little bit of food drama, but we made it through. I just have to make it through, and I know that my personality is somebody who is able to take people's frustration, but sometimes I have to talk it through, and thank you for listening. And I feel blessed to understand that it's frustration. It's not hate. It's not meanness. It's frustration. And we get through these moments because we're a strong family. Yeah. He's like, I'll just go in for it this time. Oh, is it too hot? He doesn't learn. He'll just keep going back. Like, oh, that was hot. Oh, that was hot.
He's so happy. He loves it.
Oh, you like the peanut butter.
He's like, I just want to eat that.
Next level. 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 Next level.
Puppies! Hi.
I want to go out.
You're so little. You're so little. Can you be together and be cute?
Our golden had so many issues.
Hi.
He knows everything.
Hello everyone. I'm getting this little guy to bed. That's why I'm grabbing a blanket to come sit with him. But I should get the gate out before because it makes noise. Anyway, today was beach day. We drove out to one of the restaurants we like. It's called Bob's Grill. Eat and get the hell out. That's the full name. You can Google it. They put an outdoor seating area in the pandemic, so we went and sat there. We brought Peggy, had a waffle, and then came home and got ready to go to the beach. And we just had a beach day. It was definitely a lot of people, but everybody had their little area, so it wasn't too bad. Did you have a lot of fun at the beach?
Yeah, and we got to see.
Well, I haven't gotten to that yet. We all worked together to build like a little sand city. It ended up being a walled castle city. It looked very cool. Even Daddy helped. He made the whole wall with you, right?
Yeah, and I was making some pyramids.
You had the pyramids beyond the city. Yeah, we always have to leave the beach the way you found it. Fill holes and flatten mounds. But then we came home. I watched Sebastian in the pool for about 20 minutes and then showered off and read while Danny went to the grocery store and did grocery shopping. And then he came home and we made dinner. But after dinner, I guess I never told you. Let me rewind to like our first full day here. I was up on the deck and Danny was down in the pool area, and I see the neighbors come out and walk a mini Aussie and another little dog. I couldn't quite see, I just saw a flash. I'm like, Danny, there's an Aussie. And he's like, wait. And we're all like looking, and being, if you have an Aussie, you know, we start yelling across, is that an Aussie? And we're all talking. So we've been talking over porches for a couple days, and I guess, did you guys run into them on a walk too?
No.
Or was it just Daddy? He said he talked to them on a walk. But anyway, tonight after dinner, he yelled over that they should bring the dogs over because he had chatted, and they're long-term rentals. They're actually going to leave there soon, but they've been here since 2020 when everything went down, and they've been renting. But they don't have a backyard, so the owner of this house is a dog lover and lets them come over when she's around, and one of their dogs is a 8-month-old puppy, and the other is like a 9-year-old toy Aussie. So cute, so floofy and round. So yeah, they're like, oh yeah, we come over. The dogs love the backyard, so we would be so grateful. so they could get their energy out. Piggy does not know how to play with other dogs, so it was a learning experience for him. They all did great. The puppy was super annoying to him, and he was telling him, and that's exactly what they're supposed to do. And 9-year-old Lola was letting Piggy know not to get in her butt and stuff.
But
What's your head?
basically, the toy one is guess but happy and fluffier.
She is. She's a little chunk. She's so cute and precious. But yeah, they're from Spain. Well, the wife is from Spain, and yeah, I didn't hear the whole story. I had to come and go getting some stuff, but it was so fun. And we're like, yeah, come use the backyard anytime. And we love Aussies, right?
Yeah.
And we know the owner likes them and knows them and is okay with them going in the backyard.
I love all these dogs.
Yeah, you'll have to show them your Aussie next time. Your stuffies.
This?
Yeah.
This is fluffy.
Yeah, no, you'll have to show the neighbors.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think they would like that. Anyway, we're gonna say goodnight because it is late. He's been getting to stay downstairs till 9:30. So now it's probably almost 10. So good night, friends. We'll see you tomorrow. Stay safe. Be kind. And don't forget.
Wolf your hands.
Oh, sorry that was loud. Good night. Wash your hands.